In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use ChatGPT Atlas to gather information from multiple sources simultaneously. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're working on a project that requires robust research from different angles. Whether you're a student working on a paper, a professional gathering data for a report, or simply someone curious about a topic, this method will streamline your process and help you make the most of your time. Let's start by opening ChatGPT Atlas. This is your central hub for accessing the intelligent functionalities of ChatGPT. It acts somewhat like a digital assistant, ready to help you organize and synthesize information in innovative ways. Once you're in ChatGPT Atlas, the next step is to open multiple tabs. This is crucial as it allows you to pull information from various sources, providing a more comprehensive view on any topic you're exploring. Each tab might contain different perspectives or pieces of data that, when combined, create a richer tapestry of understanding. Having your tabs open and ready, you'll now select one to create a prompt. For our purposes today, let's say we're investigating climate change. You'll choose the tab that contains the information or articles related to this subject. Positioning yourself in this tab will prepare you to engage with the material in a focused manner. Once you've selected your climate change tab, head to the sidebar and click on Ask ChatGPT. This action enables the interface designed specifically for interacting more dynamically with the content you're working on. You'll find this option invaluable as it enhances the way you can pose queries and receive responses tailored to your needs. Now comes the fun part, crafting your prompt. Think of this prompt as your own personalized inquiry or command. For this demonstration, we'll use the prompt, Summarize all open tabs. This prompt acts as the key to unlock a succinct synthesis of all the information you've gathered across your open tabs, turning a potentially overwhelming pile of data into a manageable and understandable summary. Finally, you'll want to submit your prompt and let ChatGPT work its magic. This is where the technology really shines, as it efficiently processes and distills the content of your tabs, delivering a coherent and concise summary right back to you. It's akin to having an intelligent coworker who can cross-reference and digest vast amounts of information in seconds. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll harness the full potential of ChatGPT Atlas, turning a multitude of data points into clear and actionable insights. This method not only saves you time, but also enhances the quality of your information gathering process, making it an indispensable tool for your research toolkit. Happy exploring with ChatGPT Atlas.